Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Ready to go to work. My name is Utete. It's our logo on social media. The Likiba one on social media. We know the fear to do the fuck yansh. You understand? When you go near Kwame, when I hear let's give man and my social media here, right? And now I'm going to have my dad there. That there, how I got there. So, as I was saying before, the phone was misbehaving. Our brother, who you are studio, but maybe you know, you're a Iraq bomb. You boy, you are today. Why Iraq was celery and cucumber for breakfast. So I don't even get any answer. So Agnes, please, the audio you were playing yesterday, please put it on her. Send it to me. Let me put it on her. It's very, very important. It's very, very important, you know. When you people like what with the money, my mind not here. Not by concept. Naomi concept. Melissa concept. Lola concept. Mama B concept. Not by concept. He sees a walk by here. I hear you say na one pick up. And what he roy na. Not by say the group na concept. Not by say salon. He say too much of he say is no good. I say I will matter. Hey man. Hey man, okay, she know the video and mama knew a wisdom or all. Too much wisdom. You know, too much bear. I think man you hold you in your way now. Why does Ziba do I hold you as Ziba Emma? Understand? Would I dare be one book while I video, my dear? You know? You are one go away with they were fine, only no money. I will that hold you what they are when a Melissa do nana. Melissa, one day will come, you will come out, you will come to do video, you can't come video presenter or motivational speaker. Understand? So I get anybody manipulating, whether it's your word, to be doing all sorts of things. I now with my sister Emma, is it with me? Who pause? Or maybe I'll go to my one there. If I'm my brother. Was it yesterday for yesterday? No, my brother. Calm down. Calm down. You know, at the end of the day, it's a man of his own. He chooses to calm down or carry on. But one damn video na you okay, she will know that. Or say, no, I had year one, the social over year one. With that way, 18 women, or I social media to wedge, you are powerless. And yeah, 18 the power where you get from all the social media now to the talk on the stop people, put life for people head. Now social media your power day. You are powerless. When you come to reality, you no get power, you no get stand, you no get level. My dear, you are in a big trouble, in a big mess. When you talk to people on social media, you cannot repeat it. My dear. Or Sagano, who are working, who see a can now be too much of everything of Boman. But now I tell me a proof you go over, they can't say, a yari. Or have a say, is saying, we could view you told me that, or one yes say, it's an amania, or so army, or a so army, now Wahala. Mother, when I get smart you na ya. All table ma table yo eh. I saw we sister na me na tie ye gbe be na ko gboro ye social media. Na ko awo makeup ko we to here o ma kan kan wa. Ele do smart be like on social media na. Uhe wa ke ye wa yore wa asa guy do smart wa you we. E sister na ezi na me ni kan ona wa gboro ye gbe ban. Who want talk about? But who get why like wa asa ga obi re. Ma we second uja. Ehia sunu na. Ma understand? No. So, who give me information does matter? Oh, information is standing, or so is standing my way. We know why we want to why we tell you get Muyota. Muyota. Ah. You know? I know. So, I've Melissa Agnes, I've been in black in Agben, Agben, and then with a brighter. The man in Yam Lake, near Young men, a carol day, you are in the what is soon. My mama saw Jim, my bill. Would I wear a wall not bar of me and me? Oh, Yannick Bay. When me ye, mother back group here, I'm a Benny me buying. I'm a women say, Senya. Give me muscle so. In my deba group, I already me buy, meaning Yahoo. Yarok, my mother, such a noise, and my deba group, or Yarok by my character, young Mother's time. It prove beyond reasonable that you make character and money. When you're not called work, I will not buy one new record. While Tolong record, why you want to make reliable video? Mother's time, I did back group with you and you called women. I'm making we are not recording them with 4 years PK. Get live voice me. When you are born and test it, who's me short, we will be tested here. I'm not getting ready. Mother's time, you know. So the audio. Agnes, ya when no not delete. Johnny, this we don't burn over here. My sister, why delete? Wow, see how you are. See how you are. Agnes, bring the audio back. Bring it back. Say that go me what my WhatsApp. Agnes, oh Johnny, view don't delete it. We not about delete it. Oh, do ya? Oh, do ya? Where we will tutori? I wake you out the we have more about for what? You like to go Godfather ewa. One of women. Agnes, oh Johnny, mwere and matter na joking what? Only one. So, Melissa, Mama B, lads, yeah, is a getter. They get uwe na maya, a get gawe. Eh, Mama B, lads, yeah, Onado is a guy. Onado go Naomi makeup. No redouble. When I have your hair, una so. Agnes, everywhere see at only me Agnes, we are more Johnny Latian. More Latian, my sister, more Latian. It's very, very good. More Latian. Don't go and delete it. Oh, when I have game be who so woman very on there. When they do you have you Melissa, where you have never cried. Who to so what an well so or la Mary. You say you cried, who to so my sister. When I was a baby, and you even went ahead, you know what you made while alive. You call Lolo a manipulator. Melissa, are you being a mechanania? The Japanese, what you were there? Oh, who's a so what on all Mary? Who might be a video there? That means you don't do what's work. Oh, where tell Lolo manipulated Mama B. Mama B, yeah, go now, me go. Oh, Johnny Menaya, no. You say Lolo manipulated. Oh, well, what my again? You would refer to Lolo as a gay. Agnes, oh, Johnny, I'm well at you. Yamola, because me one and just in Dame, my damn, oh, Johnny. Agnes, oh, whoa. Agnes, Eva, Agnes, you got come out to you home, my sister. I'm what Johnny, wow, bring that audio out. What's no sense in it? Understand? Huh? Melissa even went ahead. He referred to Lolo as a gay. Always a gay manipulate to our man gay. So when you Lolo can manipulate people. So are you telling us now Lolo is one manipulating you not to be insulting everybody, including Mama B? Melissa also is manipulating you now. It is saying Lolo that is manipulating you. Well, I don't know. Mama B will carry it in home where I have your shoulder, your walking all this Sununa. Oh, Melissa, come tell us exactly what Mama B do. Daughter, because I'm a like Jamuna in a Gary Wankino. So say water don't pass Gary. Oh, daughter at this stage now. Oh, okay, give me no wow. What working Naomi, Magben and Benny? Why you both spoke in private, right? We're not trashing me out. Whatever happened, we're not set to it. So what is going on right now? You should come on social media with a video who carry away when you may be going out. Giving them a baby, wow, well. There's no one who, no son, wet, get away any home. Because I'm old Jody, Mamma B, we are play or son, wet. Not did you wear and put up your right up, not to right up where we are. Man, start when my being away so far, okay. I wait till Mamma B do me or talk with this so. Oh, Johnny, anyway, we are playing not to son, now. Understand? Always do I insult here. So what we are okay, Johnny, and you obey don't wait, we don't do time. Because it's very obvious when Lolo is the one manipulating you now. Because you say that is your words. And you will not come worry. Or you made a life of you now. Let me my own Johnny, while light alive. Because they know you can go with overload. I understand. But that old job who went in me honey. That old job who went in. My own to a cacabos when you want your say. I tell my anyone. Don't give people guys name here. I can't wait. And what okay, I mean, it's all mono this in 7 meter of your say. I understand. Why not make anybody with social media now? Why Lolo cannot put anybody? Why can swing? Why can swing? Oh no, Bungbe, a record Lolo clear. Mark clear now. That will always on. I took you all another today. We were the only bear. But to company, oh, John Agnes, I know the need to delete Agnes, oh, John, you have your Latin. And go and bring it out. A gig here. A gig better than a blog and one or don't do that. You have much only like Janu Jackshoy. What are you talking about? Oh, I could delete it for what? Oh, I'm available, but we have to delete a video. What are you Jackshoy? Oh, there you go. Where is it? 9 minutes. I better hurry up. I'm running late. Anyway. So, I know. So, Melissa, if other things there, Mama B do you, apart from this audio, when she says she want play, can't tell everybody, say, give me no woman, give me no time, no yam provoke, oh, do time. I understand. The man, when the woman can have the madam here, Mama Gladys, my near time with her. Audio in a platform Agnes, for me, that was enough. Minister's word was, it referred to Lolo as a manipulator. My brother, my sister, that word is more than enough. She referred to her as that is the same person who don't know when I saw him and he care now. But they say, are you telling us that Lolo is manipulating you to be behaving the way you are behaving? Is that what you're saying? You even refer to her as a girl. And you refer to her as a manipulator. So that says a lot about your behavior, Melissa. You understand? So is it way bad time people will just ignore you now, say, you know what, and Melissa give me and Kairu that way, she's being manipulated by Lolo. That's it. That is it. If you know her as a manipulator, you will acknowledge that in your group, you refer to her as a girl, refer to her as a manipulator. So what do people like us have to say again? We'll tell you for we'll tell you who were describing Lolo for, because she's your friend. Birds of the same feather flock together. You describe who we're king so one. So mother here tire. So then you may run away, sort of Mama B by my sister. Lawo with video no tie. Man, I said, don't run in Mama B belly. Oh, no, I always so say wow. Anything on you. We video no time, my dear. Then we are. That's why I'll continue, don't for you for. Man, understand. Don't continue, don't for you for. You know, you say you fight people with the truth. Remember, I made truth of mine. You said, "Well, Melissa, truth of my life." You are not be honest with the fight we are fighting. You are going on this new fight we are in Bonaya and we fighting no longer. A truth of my error so far. A truth of my error. So, Johnny, Agnes, love war, my sister. Send there in my either you said there in my boss or she or he. And when you put my own, now I delete already, Emma. Emma, no. I don't need to ever cover up in my Emma. More Latin. We are not joking about more Latin. I understand. Because, you know, we ask Nicola, then we are giving where. What is going on? What is going on? So, what's audio even Latin? Even the only now. Who see I? Leave the audio there. I understand. So, I don't want to go away, damn you. Here, twist, here, there bias the problem here of audio to. Man, you tell me they know exactly what to say. I want to see comments. Maybe on my phone. I don't know. When you are when I do my phone done. So that's it. So Melissa, don't be manipulated by anyone to be insulting anybody on social media. Why? Because they are there, they will have a larger looking presenter. You understand? One larger looking presenter, if you want to fight, you want to say anything, one mucha you vieni. Don't feel well, you can't come in the movie. I call him Mama Bill, Waka, they are going. No matter anything you wear, you know, with you, Mama Bill, now, you have to apologize to me. Malaki, no time. Cucumber and celery smoothie for breakfast is very good. That's all now. Okay, manana we make it down. Oh, we're going out. We make it down. Very cheap. Not do my normal kale, spinach, and broccoli smoothie. I know they see coming. I don't know why. Lovely. So Melissa, if all that things they way Mama B stop, tell you, come talk come. I understand. Don't time. Agnes, play that audio. When Melissa for the cry for Mama B neck. That audio in my sister. And I can we delete a video. It's more Latin. More Latin. More Latin. Bring it out. What journey Latin we are making now? You know, meal than your video. Now it's my kale, spinach, and broccoli. You know? I know Johnny me want me. Now what the hell? How can you refer to Lolo as manipulator? You are coming to, you know, defend her. As in, what are you talking about? You know? Nice, Melissa. How can you refer to Lolo as a manipulator and now you are coming to fight for her now? As in, what the hell is that? What are you doing? What are you doing? What kind of fight is that? You know? What kind of fight is that? That is a wayo fight now. That is a bebe fight. You refer to someone as a... My sister, do you know the meaning of a manipulator? What? Go and check your dictionary. To call somebody a manipulator, do you know what is that? You must have said something to make you say, this person is a manipulator. My God. You refer to someone as, oh, you may get to tell me, he call him a manipulator. He hit you, whatever, make him a major one, my brother. I will never come in public. Maybe you can one. No, I can never. Agua. Make one I can't do that. How can you refer to somebody as a manipulator? You're coming work defend her. She's your friend. You can defend her. You can do that. It's okay. But insulting other people and you know, I mean, what is the meaning of all that then? Oh, we die over here, we manipulator. So what are you doing? What kind of fight are you fighting then? So you are telling us that Lolo is the one manipulating you to be behaving in that manner? So, I will not buy, I will not buy. You understand? I will not buy, Melissa. So if then you're very raw, apart from all this audio, not to provoke, play the audio, they didn't not buy. But you refer to Lola as manipulator. You call that she manipulates Mama B to come out and insult Naomi. Where get anyone, my get any, or manipulate you what? Or manipulate you what? Or you manipulate you what? And Mama, in every area, not the Mama, or not manipulate you what? So you know that. I cried. I've never cried like this. Mama B, you know now, If I do well, a lot of manipulating Mama B, on not do West Bologna, and when I get away, I have Melissa. If you go, when I manipulating Mama B, do you have Naomi go? Abi, that is why you cried. On not dower, now more like justice. Get them what I want Mutia. Oh, yeah, I do well now. So, what is the problem now? What is the problem now? Don't tell me yet, boy. Don't tell me, okay, this is the problem of the wrong now. Let me go to this my platform. Because I don't see comments now. I'll blend in my smooth dinner here again. It'll be a little bit of noise. Look at me, we are going okay. You know, you don't still do nothing, and all you were provoked. When social media, my dear Melissa, nobody will do that here. Who will tell where we are? You know, you were provoking at home. Because unless you were in Wajan, I don't have here, I will just buy your own way with video that when we are men are here, or why I always say we are some more large young. A video now, I may be this so off why I think. I understand. Oh, I go, you tell all of him while I here again. Yeah, I tell all of him, boy, I manipulate to wear here. A lot of guys will put out on one sweat, and a lot of him beefing, or you wear or your back. A lot of him go put out on one Melissa or what? My sister, you want beefing anybody in social media now? You got me when no J, if you attack. My blame wow, and Mamma be no yale, what they buy group, they buy, and they name me, they say, Mama, Mama, move your door. Why, Mamma, very night, you are boy, and what do I do your name social media? Mama, go record my a video program. I don't know you win. The Baba group, group saga, a group of what's the sense? I will not solve you. Honestly, banana, me arrange my time because we don't get time for the way back here, Tyrian, do Tyrian, I go. Agnes, more Johnny Latia, bring it out. Audio was very shameful and disgraceful one. This one is disgraceful. Smoothie guy. you know, yeah. Oh my. So what am I blending? I'm blending broccoli, kale, and spinach. Right? Pineapple, banana, a bit of ginger. Me and my boy I get ginger. Ginger give it a very unique taste. If I could get ginger, give it a very unique taste. It tastes organic. May I discover ginger? Okay, no, my life I'll never remain the same. Ginger. Maybe like people, some people suffering from migraine. Suffering from migraine. You know, ginger is very medicinal. Of course, you don't underestimate the power of ginger. Very good. About Tima Nick Bianiwek Ole, why you are gym? Dr. Bonami means so recipes. Why you are gym? Why come my yeko? Why bust and moyeko? Why you gym? Why was it what the cooking? Huh? If you can never make yourself, only mammy where you are fit. Yeah, there's so many to do. Let me tell you, 1 meter, you're phone. I put you jaggery, you don't know, man. I took up our carry go work today for smooth. Oh, I know the issue. So I know we are doing so. I know we are doing. So you know, it's in social media not carry is enough. One you why you am in one. Now you can get things well. No, you see comments. Sorry for the noise though. My smoothing have to be done. Very, very important. Part of my day. So young boy said, well, so they young but like a Wahala. Some majesty noga. Yeah, come back to the river. You can like see. Okay, Lolo can never trust Melissa and Lolo, we are having problem at. Okay, can see the comment over here. Where's the good bus? We're working. All this is the comment. You know, Lolo can never trust. Melissa and Lolo, we are having problem at the time. Okay. Oh, okay, I know what it is. And you guys know it. So anything Melissa said at that moment was out of anger because Lolo refused to back down to their pressure. What? She acknowledged as a manipulator. So get you a manipulator. That person must have manipulated you once before you know her as a manipulator. So it doesn't change the fact that that word came out from Melissa's mouth. Mama be on my time. It came out of her mouth. So that says a lot. Okay, Lolo is always manipulating Melissa to behave in the manner that she has been behaving and still behaving on social media. It's as simple as that. So I've seen a lot of Melissa write up, insulting Mama B. If there's any other thing in Mama B, you apart from the my own, I think you're very wrong. Or I get my new social media. Melissa large and all that. Mama when you're a lot of very cool. When Melissa a lot of most quarter. No, quarter. You know, come man or come and go the concern go with overload. I don't know that before now. I want to know that. No, I don't want to know that. So the other time, I understand. I'm not okay, made that we fight to nearby with me and cool. That is not the thing. What's the name with me out? Yeah, with me, I will settle. You know, gun. Yeah, with me, I will settle. I'm making a night way. You know? So, on your wall manipulator. You know? Yeah, you do okay. I like what she's doing. It's okay. You know, in public about the world, okay, it's fine, it's okay. But insulting other people. Those are when we can't veer, we can't veer, while we're not going private. So what you want to do, what you wear, now what you tana? What you ta? What you tana? When Mama be I tana, what you wear, Melissa now, or what you ta? Eh, what you will not look or say. When Mama be win a dear lolo, we my way. So all lolo, why we Melissa presenter? I understand. So all you know was then you're very wrong. No way Melissa there a lot of manipulating Melissa when Melissa time. Let Melissa come out and say, this is what Mama B said to me, this is what she did do. Lola will bring out that picture. I don't know why you picture threatening me. I want to kill her. Alright, kill her. It goes to your mountain and bring out that picture. So what? Oh, my mama, sir. Come on, mother. Do I? You know? So, I know. So, my sister, Melissa. You are not my friend, you are my little sister that was there though. Because my friend, they got a Facebook now, a friend, I will choose very carefully. I want to say that with Facebook. And don't when you're able to show me your friend, I will tell you who you are. Who can call on my friend? You have to be very mindful. So I'll be very careful because this thing. Oh, they're very careful. Get your own where this is my friend. So there's any other thing. Because you're right up. When I'm making all you say, you make sense. Because Umana make concrete reason. Never beg away. We know why she diverse. We know why, because she's saying that this thing ain't happen. She say Mama B do this thing, or she say she no do this thing. She will know why. Your reason, you know, make sense. Why me on where Minister only said you tell mom.